Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Reva Afriani from class B. Today I would like to present my paper entitled Curriculum Analysis of English Learning on Fase F Grade 11 Senior High School. This presentation discusses the analysis of English learning in Fase F of Merdeka Curriculum, including learning outcomes, curriculum structure, learning objective, learning activities, and curriculum evaluation. The first slide is introduction. Curriculum serves the main guide in the educational process. It helps organize learning activities systematically and ensures that educational goals can be achieved effectively. In the Merdeka curriculum, learning is designed to be flexible and adapted to student characteristics, uh, needs, and learning context. This curriculum emphasizes many learning experience and the development of important skills such as critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, and independence. Therefore, the purpose of this analysis is to examine how English learning in Fase F is designed and implemented based on the principles of the Merdeka curriculum. The next slide is learning outcomes. Uh, the rationale of English learning in Fase F to develop student global communication skill and support lifelong learning. English plays an important role in education, technology, and international communication. It also helps students understand different culture and prepare for global challenge. The learning objective focus on helping students communicate effectively, understand various types of text and product text according to their purpose and context. The next slide is characteristic of English learning. English learning in the medical curriculum is flexible, communicate, and student-centered. Students are encouraged to actively participate in the learning process through discussion, collaboration, and project-based activities. In addition, technology is integrated into learning to create more engaging and meaningful learning experience. The next slide is learning element. Uh, English learning in Fase F consists of 6 main elements: listening, speaking, reading, writing, viewing, and presenting. Listening focuses on understanding spoken information from various sources. Uh, Speaking develops student ability to express idea and opinion orally. Reading helps students understand and analyze different types of text, while writing trains them to produce text effectively. Uh, Viewing on interpreting visual and multimodal text and presenting develops student confidence in delivering information clearly. And the last is the six elements are integrated to boost student communicate competence comprehensively. The next slide is curriculum structure and context. In the Merdeka curriculum, learning time allocation is flexible and can be adjusted according to learning objective and student needs. Generally, on semester consists of approximately 16 to 18 effective weeks. The main learning context includes narrative text, exposition text, discussion text, and topic related to social media global issue. This material helps students connect classroom learning with a real-life situation and global perspective. And the next slide is objective. Based on the learning uh, learning outcomes, several learning objectives have been formulated. Students are expected to identify main idea and specific information, analyze text structure and meaning, produce written text, express idea orally, and interpret information from visual multimodal text. This objective aims to develop both receptive and product language skills. The next slide is learning objective, Squinch ATP. The learning objective Squinch or ATP is organized processively according to student learning development. In the first week, students focus on understanding narrative text, They then continue with writing, speaking activities. After that, students learn exposition, text, and visual interpretation skill. Finally, they work on integrated project and present their final project as the culmination of learning process. The next slide is learning activities and assessment. To achieve the learning objective, teachers use communicative and project-based learning approach. This approach encourages students to actively participate, collaborate with others, and apply their language skill in many contexts. Learning supports diverse media, including audio, video, image, infographic, and digital resources. Assessment is conducted through diagnostic assessment to identify student initial abilities and formative assessment to monitor the learning process throughout the learning process. The next slide is need analysis and curriculum evaluation. Based on the analysis, the Merdeka curriculum is suitable for student need because it promotes communication skill, critical thinking, and student-centered learning. However, several challenges still exist. These challenges include teacher readiness, limited technological resources, and difference in student English proficiency level. Therefore, continuous support and improvement are needed to ensure effective implementation. The next slide is conclusion. In conclusion, English learning in Fase F of the Merdeka curriculum is designed to develop student communicative competence, critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skill. The curriculum is flexible, relevant, and responsive to the need of grade 11 students. Although there are still challenges in implementation, continuous evaluation and improvement can help maximize its effectiveness. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.